talk a little bit about the transition. Then we'll play a little bit more. Proud of you all. You all will be. Alright, so 6th grade's going first. You all will be listening over there. Here's what's going to happen. Once we finish up here, we'll have first row stand. Asher will lead us out. We'll go all the way down to that and the chairs. Once this row is done, Aiden will be the last person in. Brennan, you will follow Aiden. And then you will fill in wherever Aiden leads off. Allie's the end of that row. Rayleigh, you follow Allie. Then Kenzie's the end of that row. Jonathan, you follow Kenzie. So the last person, Aiden. Percussion. You guys are going to follow Aiden. Does that make sense? So it's just trickles in and out. You just follow the person in front of you. Okay? And I'll help you guys. We'll get it. Don't worry about it. You just follow Aiden. That's all you got to do. Alright. For combined band, since you all will be sitting down already, we will send you to your seats, like your combined band seating like we did earlier today, and then we'll call up 6th grade by sections and then they'll go. Okay? That's why you don't worry about taking everything together. Makes sense? Anybody have any questions? What? Twice? Yes. What? Yeah, so guys, when you're doing Chaos Mountain 016 Avengers, you're in these seats right here, okay? When we go to do Ghostbusters, we'll move you around just a little bit to fill up all of this space, okay? All right, making some good sounds. Let's go through the pieces real fast. Just the beginning of Chaos Mountain. Here we go. Ready? Where does your part happen? 13, everybody? 13. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Let's go over here to the picture of that fast. Let's start right on measure 6. Measure 6. You good back there? Okay, measure 6. 1, 2, 1. Alright, good. Beginning of Avengers, please. Hey Dan, can you get ready to play an A on the mountain? Push it a little bit. Push in. Oh, very sharp. A little less pressure right here. Pull out like that. left. Push in if you can. Good, more air for that slightly. Good, Ben, go ahead and play concert A. Hey Ben, I need you again. Play a C. D. Try the mic. Yeah. You go. Less pressure here. More. D. Pull out. Pull out just a little bit. Pull out a lot. Pull out a little bit. Amy. Pull out just a little bit. Good. Great. Push in. Push in. Better start. Air. Go ahead and pull. Good. Sit up. Good. Teeth. Push in. Good. Faster air. Together, knock it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, good sound.
You do though. What?
Alright, one more time. Once Grace finishes, we will stand up and we're going to go.
I would say that, but my wish.
Grace finishes, we stand up. We're going to go through practice all the way around. Follow the lines as best you can.
Somebody has a load.
Oh, yeah, position. Fifth.
Yeah.
I don't. It's this one, right? Oh, tell me the name. It's this one. Tell me the name of the position. Position's name is Mark Tracy.
maybe on the last one of the Avengers.
Like when I was
The
in
last one of the
West.
Avengers.
It's only that, like, I feel like it would sound better. It's just that nobody really plays. And I'm not playing a lot.
Yes, I know.
I do. I'm working.
Yeah, we have like the different parts.
They play this one.
It's like one person, two other people my part I can play. Yeah.
Oh, they don't even know who this is. They don't understand the
I get it. No, we're not talking about that.
I didn't have good depth perception.
This and that.
What? Everything's white in my hair. Everything. That's how would you know? I'm recording. Please stop. It's a real.
Nice to see you back out here. We are the 6th grade band, and the 7th grade band is waiting in the wings, as they say. My name is Mr. Saliba. I'm one of the band directors here. Mr. Angel is helping out with stuff back there. We're glad that everyone's here and here to help celebrate a lot of the work that we put in this year. It's been a lot of great stuff that's happened. And we hope that you hear that as evidence in our music. The first song that we're going to perform is a song called Earth Shock. Before I hand things off to my partner in crime back here, Rachel, I do want to say that we've got some folks on different instruments that you saw last time. If you're a sixth grade parent, we have some new folks playing different instruments. Of course, we have percussionists. So one thing we've done is made a change to percussion. We also have a tenor saxophone player and a couple folks playing bass clarinet. We kind of ran out of time. Time sort of snuck up on us. But we're going to probably be starting off maybe just a couple tuba players and maybe adding a French horn player to our existing French horn player. So things are really progressing with the sixth grade band. And here's Mr. Angel.
Good job. Wow.
This song is called Zap. That's all. Okay, the sixth graders have more songs to perform for you. Then we'll have a quick we'll have a transition between bands. Let's hope it's quick. We'll do the best we can. But we do thank the people here. This is so sometimes with middle school band songs, they have these flashy titles and they're all kind of minor sounding and doom and gloom and death and destruction. This is a happy little song. It's called Yesterday.
all the way around.
Ready for the stir mile? It didn't like Follow the line.
You're supposed to be in line. Go find other trumpets. Go find the people you sit with.
It's a little sideways.
I love your bow tie, Mr. Angel.
He said, I know.
Because he didn't say nothing about me. I look amazing. I look amazing. And he just completely.
Very sad.
Oh, it's all over your life. It's like, oh, they got 30 minutes left.
Since my brother didn't come, I'm gonna pretend your brother is my brother.
That's a little bit far back.
Yeah, we definitely play Snow Day. It's like the hardest song ever. I'll be honest.
I didn't bring this to share. And I had a seat beside here. I do not care.
All right, and we're back. This is our 7th grade band, and they had a very busy year. We'll talk more about that in between pieces. They got to do a lot of cool things. So yeah, these guys have been working really hard, and they're playing music that's pretty challenging for 3rd grade. So I think you'll enjoy some of the stuff we got. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. Our first piece is called Chaos Mountain.
All right, so that was Chaos Mountain. Our next piece is titled 0 to 60, and it's a pretty cool piece. The students have made this joke several times, but there's actually not 60 measures of music that we play. It's 61, so this guy needs to rename this piece. Anyway, this piece starts off really, really cool. It's kind of like out of time, and it sounds very chaotic. And then all of a sudden, we just start racing towards the end, and we don't put the brakes on. Okay? All right, we hope you enjoy 0 to 60.
Before we play our last song with the 7th grade band, we do have a couple things we'd like to draw your attention to and recognize. You might notice if you look at the personnel for the 7th grade band, there's some special symbols by some of their names. The 7th grade band has had a lot of opportunities, and for 6th grade band parents, you know, this is one of those things where, you know, 6th grade is the year where they're just getting in and getting their feet wet and learning. But 7th grade is where things really start to take off, and then it keeps on going with 8th grade on into the high school. We had several things going on this year. We had in January all district band auditions, and we had several 7th and 8th graders who auditioned for that. It's a process. It's a tough process. We did have one 7th grader who made the all district band, which spans from basically South Boston, Lynchburg, all the way down to Blacksburg and Patrick County, and everywhere in between. It's a huge district, a lot of schools. So Ainsley Gray made the all district band. It's a very great achievement, a very tough band to make. You'll also see that there's some who made the all area band. The way we do this is With our area, it's ourselves, the 2 schools in Henry County, and in Martinsville City Schools. That makes up our area, and we have a special group that needs to perform with that. We did that, it had to be rescheduled due to the snow. We had lots of rescheduling due to the snow this year. But we did have that event, and we had several of those folks who made the all-area band. Let me have, and Ainsley's one of them. I didn't have her stand up. We're going to have all of our all-area band participants. Please stand up. And then the last thing I wanted to recognize with the students here is that we did have several members of our 7th grade band who went along with the 8th grade band in the district concert band assessment. That's something that Benjamin Franklin had not been to in quite some time. I think the last time they were scheduled to go was March 13th of 2020. Does that date ring a bell to anybody? That was COVID. That's when everything shut down. So that's the last time the band had prepared to go to the assessment, and we went this year. We had an excellent rating. It's rated everything from superior, which is the top, and excellent, all the way down to a 5, which is I think needs work, is the title for that. But we got a 2, very, 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 very close to a superior. So excellent job for everyone. We did have some 7th graders who helped us again. So if you're sitting over there in those seats, you might be able to help us out next year with these guys who will be going as 8th graders. We have those folks who helped us with our assessment band. Please stand up. Our percussionists are already standing, but they can maybe wave their arms or something. We're going to finish off with the Avengers, and then a short break, and then we'll do Ghostbusters. Those are kind of hero sorts of songs, so I did want to recognize some heroes today. Let me recognize all the parents and grandparents who got their students here. Y'all are some heroes. Students, clap for your grandparents and parents. The kids probably wouldn't let me slide without putting in at least one dad joke. Okay, we're going to finish up the 7th grade portion with the Avengers. And this transition may take a little bit longer, so bear with us. So fix this for my residents.
My mom moved away from me. She's in California. Pick up everything. I know this. It felt like the bunch of things. Can I ask your brother if I can become his Discord pick? Or his shop? May I have the keys to your house? For no reason. I just forget this game. This is my favorite part. Is your brother still international?
No, I asked.
Cameron, do you?
I think it's amazing. He's better off, bro. I'm not gonna come back to the table.
I wonder what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. I hope we can play just. I've been trying to until 3 o'clock.
You got your own. My bedtime is around 10 or 11. I'm so loud that I can't sleep.
I just stay up looking at my ceiling for like hours because I have insomnia, and then I'm probably gonna get sleep paralysis doing that. I'm trying to get Darlene's attention.
All right. We're back. While they finish any last minute adjustments, I'll go ahead and talk a little bit. So, our last piece is the theme from Ghostbusters. So this one we played with the 8th grade band and a few 7th graders at the Music in Our Schools concert. And when we were preparing this, the 7th grade band just loved this one so much that we just had to bring it back for the last concert of the year. So what's really cool about this one is that they actually get to shout out the Ghostbusters part, you know, like in the song. And we encourage the audience to also shout with us. Right? We all know this song. Okay. Alright. Thank you all for coming out. Super glad to have you here. Band means a lot for a lot of these guys, and the art plus the directors, but mostly to these guys. For a lot of them, it's the reason they look forward to coming to school. So that's a big part of their lives, and we're glad that they chose us. So we're very thankful to have you all here in our program. And we're very thankful to administration for their big support of us, and everybody that supports us. Just thank you so much. All right, enough talk. Let's catch some ghosts.
I'm not a Ghostbuster. You're a Ghostbuster by yourself.
These are pretty ghosts. I'm friendly ghosts. Alright. We do have, if I can have y'all's attention, we do have one kind of some special stuff, but these guys have some jobs to do. We do need to clear this area so that they can have a meeting here tomorrow. So, students, what you guys are going to do, 7th graders, I'm going to go back to the main room, pack up, come back out here and help with chairs and stands. 6th graders, go back out to the cafeteria and pack up. Come back out here and help with chairs and stands. And then find the parents. Oh, we do have a day tomorrow. It's an A day. So we will be playing. By the way, we will be playing pretty much the rest of the year until kind of like the last couple days. We'll send out some information via Power School about when instruments need to be turned back in to companies, or if it's a school instrument, back to us. But let these guys do their jobs, and then we'll have them out to no time.
Why are there so many yellow?
Like, look it and send me those lists, because somebody's